Obi.
Chamo.
Obi. Obi.
Chawan.
I do. I say, if you got on your Wednesday, over go bebem. I from goalless.
The match is better no try goalless woman. Because me who goalless be how?
Ireland and Bulgaria.
Oh, na match
be say then I'll go.
Now, Sierra Leone Nigeria goalless.
Now African, my catch is African idiot. African idiot.
Greece ni Slovenia goalless.
Anyways, they say investors, investors another avenue. Go say I ding. Well, you say you want some no. And just run Fabio Gama share in the training. Say, Obi ni papa no Lil Ronaldinho.
Yeah.
Na wakasa. Ninsem no. That's what bread for. Na yeti Fabio Gama. If I wakasa say the fitness levels so they say or from kaka.
Yeah.
But I say obey fully fit enche. Or I the title with a Santiago Doko. Wakasa edi afane ba obai ene ehon semina ya de eba. Me say anu aseme kan no. Obviously we be go do Santiago Doko versus FA/Star Times.
Yeah.
Yaba me sansem.
Okay.
Dem ranika ene ensensema yete say FA na convening meeting on Monday.
Yeah.
On which I say ombeso munya all CEOs of the Premier League clubs.
Okay.
Ombeso munya matrasi.
Yeah.
No matrasi sa di ni out.
Yeah.
Let's not forget say Adebi say in buy an hard drink say it take the shine away from the league in itself into FA the some take steps addressing Sadia no. Hearts of a situation no. Has almost been for the zero.
I mean, say omo sanka official communique no. Sir, I was say omonya clearance from the Ministry of Health. Na FA.
Dr. Nsiasai. Akasa.
Okay.
Na ya the name some no be see anche.
Oh.
Na o say I also had to vote
14 days.
Mandatory 14-day quarantine. Also, has to vote call Doma on Thursday. It just has to be Thursday. You have a handsome. And then someone do I have one where they bro. Yeah, live on Facebook go qua and what they say. Why joining on Pure FM Ghana? Pure FM Ghana. Now also I join feed no. Now also here a show in Subi. And yeah, no go. Samsung on YouTube if you wait to me, I will show no. Okwa the only BKB. Now and also Wahre a show no. Christian. Bibia the Dean. Yamiasi. Say how to vote. I say the was say.
Sir.
Just a 14-day quarantine, mandatory.
Senra enra wiare me kan. Say me na me extremely surprise. Say be testing place in no me be testing negative at the same time.
But so for some nyanka say.
Yeah.
Bibia mu nyanka dey.
Yeah.
But they say change am go 14 day India. I suspect. Say bibi ho.
Chamo.
Ana obi ozo ne menya. I suspect bibi ho mo kan.
But Zenra parody to him say omo no nim so manya all negative. But the here no ye aban krata or the beba say ya clear obi anti obi abetu.
Also nim.
They have that sort of informal information. Say omo no ya clear obi will negative. Inti akasa aban ebesi sudia na omo ho atumi atomo. But 14-day mandatory quarantine there obi anim say yare yi from day one. Sana processes net here. But 14 days, that means in 1 week, had to vote called Doma in
exactly a week, yeah.
Into the next
just next Thursday.
2 weeks, next week Thursday, the cost involved and all of that. Also, communication as far as COVID-19 is concerned, no. Sometimes I want to blame her to work a bit because Sankomunya Momo Bianya the clearer picture. When I am cause situation I woman, but I'm saying now information, you know, we see 3, we see 31, we see 24. We are not too sure of what's happening. Therefore, I wish Anka any doctor in Siansa Besa Kasa na no pebium. Now, my reasons why compulsorily I was had to move for COSA quarantine for 14 weeks. No, Chama Unim said Elmina Sharks so recorded a certain number of cases. Elmina Sharks. but omo no nya kwenya esi akan against Dwarfs ekoye 2-2. So you ask yourself, okay, so Elmina Sharks,
Dwarfs so.
Okay, no, Elmina Sharks no report positive cases ahead of Sunday game. Omo Dwarfs a boy, you know. Omo ye free, omo ye training. Omo players now, omo ye affected, no. Omo self-isolate, omo ewo baby. So what is this? What is the real situation we had to work? Dear Mpa na had to work situation anymore. Chinchina I was had to work for 2 weeks mandatory quarantine. Omo numbers need to say number of negatives, number of positives need to say. Okay, I said the last time I said I suspect maybe the Ministry of Health had to work were a bit reckless in their handling of all of these issues, and maybe it could be a punishment. But 2 weeks mandatory there. Just say, you feel for her to work.
Christian.
League, you know, say omuka say unya specific numbers be obitimi abo. Na limitation here say we place 1 or 2 3 be nya COVID-19 there obitimi abo. Say si di that number ni dia ene wuntimi mo.
By hano ya na ye hwe say number na wo kan. Ya test o nyina na say agwe because o nyina amengila anti ene mo nyina enche ho. Enra ye ni opare kasa ye no me ka che obi say na me ho be mo a. Chamo onum say ade tisi ase a enyina bitima ye bi. Enyina bitima nya bi. Ba enyina ho ntoy at the same time. Of course, yeah.
Because recovery rate no
obi ade Zlatan dey say 4 or 5 days
yes.
or recover.
And he say 10-15 players and COVID-19. I'm not saying that's the number. I'm only making assumptions. Set 10 and now 15 how to folk players and COVID-19 now. I'll be extremely surprised say best test job no. Now all those 15 players no are testing negative. No. Ebi humbato mo. Ebi so huntom because recovery rate no will not be at the same time. But I think that has to folk bebre this season papa because already league ni ashasi and for 1 week has to folk is not even training. Ade omo ya ne physicals kakra just to keep themselves busy kakra na has to folk here. No training whatsoever. Now say 14 days self isolation there. And just say for the next 3 weeks has to folk could not even be training. Training kwa wonye bi. And you know after 3 weeks now has to folk a lucky training no. Eventually ye bompaye say after 3 weeks you know nese nyame ya adom nese ye clear house of folk players ni nyina say from betimi abobo no kra na chamo ese house of start pre-season because they are going off for 3 weeks without even proper training. League no ye bo ama for France ye bo enu sa we sa 3 weeks you know na bia bi no will bear 5 or 6 matches after house of folk best yes pre-season ana
a dicey situation.
As game against Ashgold, not there by
and also have to be postponed.
Wow. So then FNG Swa Oma had to clear and say brother your moat omo ebe to me Ashgold. Etumi siakan. Then pa no mujina so no because Dr. Insian Sare no mu kasa dia. O ye den ya. O bo no mo. You know, I'm okay. So we are Gasano. Just say, a hard dream, pa. Say, how to walk out could be a here, Musa. Na, yes, or one crying or Domain crew. And yen home. And now, here, or pare, and then no, the Casa, and Utumishampa, pressure banisu. Just say, who's or Paris with you? Na down kone ni nyomo bi o onya biwi obi pa akọ that's all there pressure hey but we just hope for the best because
okay
serious
well yeah hoping for the best you remember say issue no so na they say Star Times Kotoko Vio Elfi. The tell say every now refund club BSC Kamano. Club Bia Caneno utu 50 Ghana Syria. Utimi record the match 50 Ghana for a game. Now as I take also me tia more receipt. In fact, me check so everyone take to send Mumu. Echo FA Mumu account no so. It's no more we know also tia message na ban. Now to say every now refund says can in every club. Every say 1,700. Yes,
1,700.
As they say, Obia ni who can show Chamachi. Obia or say view say camera view say you guys will move here.
So
issue we. Overstretching it.
Absolutely, because I know I am a desa Nyamibua Juada. The various CEOs of the Premier League clubs, because I think maturity should prevail in all of this discussion. What is the essence of view as far as Ghana football development is concerned? Data and science. Look, a better local Premier League gives us a better Black Stars.
And entirely true.
Oh.
How many local players?
Yes, if our players are scientifically proven with data that they are performing, I bet me we are Black Star him.
Okay. Wow.
In bet me Drew baby, Felix Annan data, Ebeye Ache Atizigi, and it's, of course it will certainly happen because Atizigi no, I'm so be more with you no. Into your no your friend na you who the entire friend no. Say ne. Sika kuno a replacement and a backup for Richard Oforia or you shoot data now. Obewu say enya fatal doubt that there was Uncle Black Stars name. Interior ball like Emmanuel Lomote. Any boys ni B-boy. Na Vio no and na Instats no. Me team of the week for the Ghana Premier League is based on what I used my eyes to see. It's not backed with data. Oh yeah, team of the week. I was say Unia and Diana Christian to me criticize the team of the week no. Noka say no. Obi, goalkeeper Issa Razak of Dwarfs. I wouldn't share week 1 best goalkeeper no. Osha Felix. Felix here 5 saves against no. You compare notes because on to me that's a way a goalkeeper of the week. What can that be? So me no. I really don't know why the FA will take such a posture. So there be young prema technology and you enjoy boni try. It shouldn't be even be on TV because television is technology. Into appear technology, rubber be a data analysis, scientific, basis for every decision. I was saying who be wakumem now be on some now jitum. And Kumasi Asante were good points. Mediama were good points. Wafa were good points. Interlies were good points. Teams of Munya, even including Dreams FC. Obia no on the point. All right, that's fine. But I'm slightly disappointed in the posture of Nana Wamponsa. What's the more that? Nyabutre. Make your case. I was disappointed when Enra Sibosro Eka said Nanaya where you sue abusive words on him over the phone.
Aye.
No. Oh, a good case. Nyabutre. Time will tell. Meeting here, but Matisa Kotkosi or master times in Mechani match biom. Sound common. And this is Basu in the first place. Because the league is a product of the FA. Unless a Kotkokas or more league, no. And there's within their rights. But say, oh, my make board there. Oh, ball football match there. Oh, to be yes, sir. You cannot fight against the whole association. You have a very good point, but time will vindicate you. You know, pressure Ghana League ni beko nanim. We crowd yanke so easy. That's why okay FA regulations in the statutes. There's a place for an honorary president of the FA. Honorary president in your opinion bia. Absolutely opinion wabo bra just say your corners, your corner nase, ni akosoti differences. We don't have that. And I'm saying senior league national competition was run. Obia pretty abutre. Mumia abutre. In Didiatem, may you say Ghana Sunsuenia Yankom, Nessa Ansemno, and found for so biama. There are too many matured people within our footballer where a basic. Oh, but what prevents Kets from calling an eye catches? Oh, Nana, Vio Yahudia Bay Paradie, and Kabuana 16 and 18 Premier League clubs, including Division 1 League clubs, Obian Sankabi. I said, Nanka Efe. Into Techman Wonders, 11 Wonders, Nikotoko. Ignatius Air the data, no. Now Maxwell could so share the data. What an exciting league that will be. Oh, yeah, analysis now. Oh, share data, no BM where you 100% plus passes completed. Amen.
Y'all care about saying in about training, you're dealing with the matter. Because, for instance, matches are meaning say we are going to go control over even home matches. What I say, even if the FA agrees to he say proposal say, and I request on Mama at the view nature. Because all could be a Brekum has a Bohuma, on over the match in match. Even over the rights number will be rights number will be more top level coverage. It's any a who can go here. That be club chairman. It's make every point.
It's a very valid point.
Every point, and they say, the mobi. In China, Sadia, open for Bibiano, come for it. But every no ancient from the angles, I didn't say, I want to miss some new Yaya again say, all the good I can ask them. No money, and you're not say, it is not just about the coverage, it is also for statistical analysis. It will be just the coverage in the day, and then cannot the anchor. Young be chakra and then just start time for taking me. And I got to your library. But you know, ye chat and the analysis. Until I'm going to say a dialoguing. Christian.
I'm say Obina law. The entire all of us bit me live in a harmonized society and to come back. I say be dimra, se be yemra.
I'm ranting.
In Ghana Football Association. Emra no ekasei. When you go to the FA status, status no ekoji 2 mu ansana normalization committee. The first article 73 talks about the right media ejare. Ejare bit me
Facebook
and try to make meaning.
Okay, article 73 writes GFA and its members are the original owners of all the rights emanating from competitions and other events coming under their respective jurisdiction, without any restrictions as to content, time, and place. These rights include, among others, every kind of financial rights, audiovisual and radio recording, reproduction and broadcasting rights, multimedia rights, marketing and promotional rights, and incorporeal rights, such as emblems and the rights arising under copyright law.
The any can change him. Was someone say, "Sir, right in your media right na F no any members in India." Bakoto a member me boy. But sir, we member. You don't have the right to go and negotiate for your own TV right. And it's our right, you know. That right has been given to some Siebas as part 2 now. That right has been given to the Executive Council. Or say, the Executive Council shall decide how and to what extent these rights are utilized and draw up special regulation to this end. You know, the Executive Council never draw special regulation as to how this right will be exercised. And nothing else, you know, Tamu, the next article will be the major. Is I remember me rule their first one. Ghana Premier League Regulation 2019.
As in 2019.
It's you know, almost right in the Executive Council, no. And we just our right, you know, so acquire regulation on our league. It's our regulation in the league, no. Article 42 talks about ownership, commercial, and media right of the league. Jamu Yankai. 42 no.
42. Ownership, commercial, and media rights of the league. The ownership, organization, control, and management of the league, and any rights associated with it of any nature shall be vested entirely and exclusively in GFA. In relation to each match in the league, the GFA shall itself be exclusively entitled to, or otherwise, to authorize or grant to others rights of access to and attendance at the ground of the home club, that is access rights, for the purposes of transmitting or filming or otherwise recording on or by any media, any audio and or visual materials depicting or describing all or any part or parts of the match. The
Nti the
copyright
okay na no
materials.
pe say unya right to all these things that the FA no the exclusive right to
no
give
na
to.
on better just say right ni ye FA dey dia. FA ne betimi akere say right dey be pone ho bibi say obeso record o obeso film o obeso bibi obeso ye efa ho bia no FA na ho to me.
Okay.
It's any dia on the decided to be man on for bound.
Very well. Let's go to the third one.
The third one, I'll say, in relation to each match, the GFA shall itself be exclusively entitled throughout the world to grant or otherwise.
To grant or otherwise, others say betting the amount.
Yes.
The right.
Authorize others to grant the right. A. On a live, delayed, recorded, or highlighted basis to broadcast or otherwise transmit by any method whatsoever, now known or hereinafter devised, the copyright materials by way of any and all forms of television or similar technology, now known or hereinafter devised, including without limitation, free-to-air television, pay-per-view, not video on demand, internet or other online media, and video on demand, the television right. Asaba omo kano hanne say Christian say tiasia omo so cheze even no what the exclusive entitlement as a right say obdiba maw ana onfa maw it is no right.
Yeah, I don't know.
In
right
this case
not limited to free to air television, pay-per-view, pay television, not video on demand, internet, other online media and video on demand.
Now, how can I say broadcast or otherwise, or to transmit by any method whatsoever?
Yeah.
Now known that I'm no. I say no me ho bi anim. Anadi chire yebeye.
Enya
mine. The situation I
now, let's go. Let's finish
with the regulations.
Yenko the next one. The next one will make things clear.
Then
Yenko read the fourth one.
4 no. Clubs shall okay, yes. Therefore, share regulations, no. You can carry regulations in your clear understanding. 4, the club shall comply with the terms of all contracts entered into by the GFA from time to time in relation to access rights, television rights, radio rights, footage rights, and marketing rights, collectively the commercial contracts in relation to the competition /
That is where I have a bit of problem. How do you expect me to comply with something I don't know the details of? What say FNC? So no ekoje any right biaba. The terms of the contract, you know, all members must comply. Yes, I chile. And then see something kotoko person for no any start time for no contract, you know. It's just that most of the clubs, you know, do not even know the details of the contract signed by the FA.
But the clubs are not supposed to.
If I'm not supposed to know, how do I comply with the?
They are not supposed to get copies, but they are supposed to know what is in the contract.
And you know this fourth one is say FA no enter into any media writer. The terms in the contract, you know, members must comply. Now, what I must comply with something I know. I didn't mean so. So what if I don't know the terms? I also have contract, you know. How do I violate something I am not in the known? I mean,
Christian, the FA is not acting in good faith. They took money from the clubs. Or magic clubs ni sika. Se ope copy and now pesa ultra bibia or football more. To your 50 cedis per match.
Obi, and a fifth one.
They've paid.
Let's read that.
Hold on. Obi,
also they
Let's read.
The fact that you pay doesn't mean you are granted.
No, hold on. You pay. You have to be given clearance.
But if you pay and you are not cleared,
yes,
is the point.
Why have you not been cleared?
Because
my reason why they've not been cleared.
Obviously, reason in the sense their TV right holders, right broadcast right are complaining, and because of that,
they've complained that
they have complained about anybody filming the game.
Jesus Christ!
I must say, they now filming clubs say they want to have copies of games, and I'm saying they are refunding OBS Kamano. If you want a copy, write to them. They will get you a copy from Star Times.
Masa, Mama, don't let us play around the law to to burden our own football.
No, Obi Nyabutre.
And asema make can asema make can
let law. Emran is saying.
Emrano ambiguous.
Really is it?
Does it in modern day football? Does this law really make sense? It does not.
No, but David Thomas. Hold on. David, okay. David, Let's make them understand. Some running make sense. I am ra. Yet buy clubs unim. Situation in said yes, I don't know. The difference woman ama say your problem na say. The Premier League clubs are supposed to appoint 5 people to go on the EXCO to represent the interests of the Premier League clubs. That's the essence. Dr. Jasai. Okay, fantastic. Yanko Doko, I had this issue. Doc, the child of a dog, not Boko there.
Yeah, I'm here.
Say, Doc, maybe I be PNT. Cry.
Yeah, okay. What will be?
Yeah. Doc, well, Doc, they say I don't play the drinking cry confidence sense in your football. No, now I send a bit told just say hearts of folk. Almost situation be about me. Say if I report because at 3, because 33, if it's 31, and a contract here, you know, my test I hold up, but the thing they say no, has a folk team also almost have 14-day mandatory quarantine. No, meaning Senate and Chemuka carry over. Yet you for me.
You may check you for me. President, the Station of Nation address number 16 or so. And Oman Ghana Football Association, Minister of Sports, Quincy, Hafi, a bit me. I have seen him about the first year, my national teams, Echo Camp, and Omambo Ball Crammy, Ombo Bako, and I go back so I'm a man also called Camp. You dear Quincy Premier League in the first division, so looking at quiet. Now, my house, then the nano question, maybe they train on and almost ask you. And the woman said, I'm right, this is when I said protocol, and I said, oh, the car, not why a woman and I test. When we test that, woman by a positive or not, I hear woman contact. Maybe I know baby. There's no contact, not a test to Musoa. Now, said they are almost uncle Sao, or contact also uncle Sao, but I owe you. When you're was almost so much symptomatic. But they almost said, almost to me, the but they are putting the Saudi. There were 14 days, would dear October. I'm the 14 days, and 14 days here at the idea. You take your sample, not that test by the account fee at the take your sample. And I'm said, half for me, yes, woman and I one group. Oh, no more come. Indeed, year now will be a positive. A contact tracing district, now regular contact tracing. And I almost test you work and maybe so the car. Indeed, Yama, GFF for us to say, Ma, almost more bra. The best I hear now almost this mandatory 14 days. Now, you must have the sign, you must test count because only a place. Because Roman called Obisia at the ball. Almost actually, almost samples, I test with you. The enter test, and I test, and I say, Obama, woman, how they are negative. It's insanity.
Oh, okay. So say, and they say, only a free, somebody to IBBR.
Why negative? Now, and now, if you die, a change sample, no, a deep, there 14 days. First, 10 days, 14 days, like I said, now me. Virus maybe more. They say, oh, you're free. To me, with training. Actually, say, oh, I'm born so I'm born. I am the free, say, oh, born. But then say, oh, you're testing me, I free. Then, can I say, why you maximum the effort so media my free to me, yes, yeah, make they say, airport, so I'm no airport, so, greater class, especially in the Ashanti region, Obiamo maximum. The American has said, you can say we are recovered. Why is real? You mean 1 or 2 people be on my any bigger. As I contracted disease, the area we are the the mechanic will be a team be answer. When you be do, will be when I meet the video, who pay now could be any power. No, you now the above. That's the only way we can be preventive. So they are on fan sound, maybe some fan sound. To be able to be potentially, we thought to our captain, Copocha, you just mark and crowd movie.
Maybe there, but a much drink up. I
don't know, maybe Bobby, because air conditioning room.
That try and ya doc mayena. Doctors say him also a bot mask no be on tea. Coming can no. Anyway, yeah, try to be Dr. Nsiasa, but I say, I'll say how to vote you free. Meaning so be muti dia. All they say, my yama, nina bad negative. It's they are free, but I'll say still also protect your mom. If they say I make us a hard vote, I'm quite so concrete. That's what I gather. Say, Oma to care free. And earlier reports say, yes, woman tra, doma ho, no money free, come on Thursday, no. Dr. Nsiasa and Chimama say they are free to go. Well, it's try discussion also in regards to this rights issue. Obi, now make your point.
Yeah, I think I don't want to place a lot of premium. Idea clubs that you should that Interlice you should last season. Mediamamu you should that.
One for Dr. Nsiasa phone do.
Oh, okay.
They sure say ebi I didn't cast.
Okay.
So try also no.
Fiono is in whose interest? Is in the interest of Ghana football. And she, with or without this sort of mama entangle and you sue and you be say and retard the progress of our game. These are laws just to retard the game. But why? I didn't team before data analyst. Data analyst in Koji right no one Koji video copy in free obi. Say makwa Koji for Star Times. Afena. Masa, obi the view aba. I have baby Ghana football about my analysis ni boy a journalist to do good job on our football. We are using technical issues to
I know that be well can be earlier. Yeah. And earlier in the say, and the BI about clubs when they go to Congress near Camp Yeshamra. Sometimes no. And it comes back to always haunt them no. Now, the okay no Everything right, but Utras now had
the reason. It's okay, and I'm can be what you they have to clear you. I will say clear. So if you are not cleared, what is the reason? Almost you start times for say cry. Then which this right on video on demand and all of that. But you ask yourself, chairman, say inti kotoko ne wa fa ne Interlice no media ma mo almost you try de no try ye den. They say okay. Now
view no question Interlice start to use be no.
No make us teams na use
Interlice then it did not become a problem.
Absolutely.
Why is it becoming a problem?
Teams na use Interlice. Enra me catch say coach be catch him say the view on the winning league the Interlice agi league da. Oma use so how is it possible say Edu Kotoko nko so oba be use view ni bia. Then we go pull certain articles. It is in whose interest? Star Times now move as an institution. If they are telling us that they are basing the argument on these laws, they have the right. But what is the interest? Ghana football first. I didn't all of a sudden. And Interlice na use the problem ni Interlice use by 4 years. Media ma use what for use dreams use.
Dreams review.
Dreams got you 1,070.
Okay, to cover their
Obia no an opportunity to better yourself. We sometimes look at the whole situation and tell ourselves, say, what is the end product? Then Ebuako see. Obia no ashase ni ewie de hia. Inti Ebuako see saying. Bebuako see no. E hon ne wo se ma ya dwen ba so. Forget about Star Times. How much is Star Times giving the clubs? $30,000 for 34 games. 30,000 for 34 games, football games. How much do Kotoko and Hasselhoff invest in a single game? Decoder near say Star Times decoder say. And then so called Star Times app. now person booking for a day 16 cities. How many people are booking for a single day? 16 cities. How many people are using that? 8 cities a day, 16 cities a week. Remember booking a week. How much is Star Times making in terms of even profit? Why don't we want to develop our football? This is technology. This is brilliant technology. This is where the English and the Belgians and whichever country are making progress in their football. This is what they use. I don't know do I feel the technicalities in your we are not going anywhere. You could do Star Times for Star Times quality coverage by now. Let's talk about
that.
They are doing well, but they should not pretend as if they just say, no sir. Let's tell the people the truth and tell them that in modern day in 2020, see a person football ni ko enim, na a person Black Stars ni ko anymore. Let's admit technology and let's use technology. Look, that case when can you say even it comes up for discussion. It is common sense.
But common sense also, you say you for know what you going for. Common sense, I can was of course. I mean, if it will help, the FA is supposed to think about some of all these things. Generally, we have a structural problem. I know, a topic for another day. But it be a kotokonso engagement, and that is why I feel say that I say from Kaka, say to have insulted because that's a member of the executive council. What I say, Ebia he made a comment about the view. Anyone now about the Brazilian this adena. Fine, you find a way. If you have to write or complain, you go to Keta. Kotoko engage FA rather than to do say Yamamun Chema because it's not in Kotoko's right to decide who will cover their match and who will not. And also stated for a fact. That is not to say what the FA is doing. Maybe of course, I mean you know my position when it comes to how in terms of the organizational structure of the FA. No serious problem with regards to some of these things. Club Bia or league ni Biano. Also club no right to use the footage match na ya boy no footage no for club no also no to use for the social media no wani nyina also start and grant you but I no ugo epena kwa ya asem eno ya another day but this view thing view no na ko inform the FA funding obiasi kama no na
I didn't know say basa.
I
didn't know say bansa. On say Obia make.
I'm view no view for the setting up. TV station.
Obia making references to say you have the right to scanner. You have the right to be to cover your own match. Bachamu, Sajari the third one about to swa. Say right now, Emrani can want 7. Unfortunately, Emrani there as long as it is there, we can't do away with Emrani.
Of course, that's true.
It is there. And I want to be a member of the association now. Wajim Nana Tum. Chamo, so Tracy Kenny number 5. Let's read it. Niam fancy I say. Chamo, was say number 5. Another TV, so Chamo Yonko.
Number 5, the clubs may apply to film matches in which they are involved and shall proceed to film same, provided it is cleared by the GFE on payment of the appropriate fee.
When you pay, it doesn't guarantee you the right. You need to be cleared first. So, Kotoko, did they pay, right?
They paid.
Were they cleared?
No. Why were they not cleared?
So let's go.
Okay, clubs are prohibited from being used for commercial purposes without GF's approval. Exactly. I'm not using it for commercial purposes. It is an offense to prevent or seek to prevent.
Second paragraph.
Okay. Clubs may apply to film matches in which they are involved and shall proceed to film same, provided it is cleared by the GFA on payment of the appropriate fee determined by the GFA. Video films shall be used for the club's education purposes only. Clubs are prohibited from being used for commercial purposes without GFA's approval.
And I heard them Ibisa questions.
Second of all, I know you for commercial purposes.
So why?
Obiabusa said about Obiabusa about say those of allegations. Have we tried to get Nani Amponse's version of Odu Safwadian? Well, like I said, I've tried on a number of times to get in touch with Nani, but he's still not.
So if you read the 5 very well, clubs may. So may is optional. Yeah. So Kotoko and other clubs have applied, or they may apply to film the matches in which they are involved, and shall proceed to film same, provided it's been cleared by the FA on payment of the appropriate fees. And if you kind of provided it's been cleared by the FA on the payment. The very moment this is clear, the very moment you make the payments, the appropriate fees determined by the FA, you are cleared automatically. If you read it well.
The clubs may apply to film matches in which they are involved and shall proceed to film same, provided
yes,
it is cleared by the FA on payment. Okay, so when you pay, you are cleared.
Absolutely.
Provided
it's been cleared by the FA on payment. So when payment is made, you are expected to be cleared. Now, check the second paragraph. Video film shall be used for the club's education purposes. What is the essence of Kotoko's view filming? Or the Koyede?
Has Kotoko commercialized view?
No, view cannot be commercialized. So
view is for
to educate your players. So Kotoko have a very good point. They are educating their players. They are making their players better. They understand the tactics. They understand their mistakes. They can move forward with it.
Well, there's another one of your learned people. Saying the FA is right in law.
Yeah.
Their posture is even fortified by the Copyright Act 2005, Act 690. I'm sure when Obi gets to study intellectual property law later in the law school, he will understand in his LLB journey. The FA is right in law, so you guys should relax.
No, I'm not saying they are wrong in law. They are right in law, but they are not applying common sense.
The ultimate interest.
They are not applying common sense. Because even if you read 5, it says for educational purposes, the clubs can film on payment. So why don't we want to educate ourselves? We want to have our players better educated, so we need these films. Why do we have to go to Star Times for a copy when Kotoko has the capacity? So be child no Ankasani games. Now so cost Star Times so.
No, go so be child no one game the crowd. Enya eyidia but say obecha no use for no view no
my entertain media Star Times near FA no look chairman they are right in law.
What the FA is Star Times is a media institution that has paid money to own rights. Star Times will do everything humanly earthly possible to protect their investment, but I am sure say the FA is rather supposed to explain to Star Times say ebia ade agodogodia bana omde buy no betwa some machines dey be mu no enye for commercial purpose for some be no metin the statistics of players performance, how they did in the game and all those things. Explanation and ebia also careful in Star Times, because for Star Times they don't have anything to do with it. They will complain to the FA because the FA owns the right. And the Star Times here complain rather than the FA was supposed to be a call Kotoko. Say be a mumu case no ma site no as an instance. Eti saying that maybe Kotoko penyin I explain it to say this is how the software works. And I'm expecting the FA people, even the technical advisor of the FA, to know how this works. Do you
know my problem? Do you know my problem? I have said it on countless occasions. I mean, I'm repeating what I say. I didn't know TV right at Chenipe. Mintias I didn't know. And this question. This question. Kotokobo against Techman 11 Wonders over Accra Sports Stadium because of TV rights on Bonanajo. It came at additional cost.
I got to go to fuel and Bibia.
It's generator ni Bibia na Kotoko train and Kotoko Netia Honka at the expense of TV rights.
I was start times.
A Jadentina team Babo. Not the whole season, I'm team or money game and Ajoda. Into oni other expenses be obey. On fuel. Teams never games and Ajuna because of TV rights. Or additional expenditure for TV coverage for light, fuel, generator sikari nyina no. Oni obi a omoni team and Ajoda, omoni game and Ajoda, just can pay. How does it make sense? How does it make sense? Sakotoko ni Techman 11 Wonders bo game and Ajo. One wafa edge TV right pay. For all you know, Temo, wafa emo game and Ajo da home. Wafa omo game floodlight da. But Abia Koto wait me bobe 5 games under floodlight Accra Sports Stadium. Sa additional cost no. I didn't know what is Canipa. What is Canipa? I didn't know you see nyina obinya additional cost for the same TV coverage. Me mentias here. you know, henceforth, chamo, some of these things must be catered for. So also be more game and for TV coverage, not me use floodlight there. It must not be born by me. I bring a chest canopy. It doesn't make sense. In the Premier League, there be a message in the Premier League, you know, as typical example. Chamo, who's the Premier League? I'm going to TV right now. I'm going to 50% no match any pet. The first 50%, you know, it is shared equally. Chamo muya, the remaining 50%, you know, no matter chemu mienu. Emu 25%, you know, na ya share no on merit, your position. To obedi first on the league, you know, on the obedi, you know, there must be certain form of differences. The third criteria, on Richard TV right oh England, no, chamo, TSA, 25% of the UK's broadcast revenue paid in facility fee. Why be you game do draw biano? Ubenya scarce in the game less. That is why we team league. No, yes, kaketwa as in one league.
No, Obia debated no when you more money. But another thing, crowd with regards to Sadio when he say, engineer makers say sometimes we be complain. Maybe I start times I go complain to the FE about Kotoko using view and all that. The day I got to go about the match on Sunday, no, it became a serious issue. Oh, one can no delay match. No. Now, so start times can say be a Kotoko here footage to be on major on what. Now another question we'll ask maybe a FE, you know. You make that start times through the FE. And they say start time be cover all their matches are there. So then now they don't cover the overview.
The laws are clear. The law is clear. Said the clubs can.
But they say no man to move beyond.
The law clubs can film for educational purposes. And you clear. Me who the when there was a problem about. Chairman, see a person at Twaso, ne league no way in Boche way, or Ubisa said the Entina winning Boche way. Now, me 5 way makena. We can continue on this tangent. Near Interpretro boss a Black Stars 23 months call up. Near Fagoki Pape. The Akanya foreign based players, a bimbo division 3, division 2, division 3 crano, a whole year bimbo. But Oko internet, Obenyani proper statistics. Then they call up the player, local player, who needs statistics be our now me make any solid argument. Chairman, in Rakotko for release Felix Anani Evans Adomako, you know, I
must instant analysis.
Isn't it beautiful? Isn't it beautiful? I feel when fundamentals no, these are the fundamentals. The game is data. The game is science. I've grown a free tragedy any assumption.
Okay, powered by Instant and View. Felix Annan overcame 4 out of 5 saves. And the one on the share.
Yeah.
85 shots on target. He saved 4. 2 super saves. And on 94% passing accuracy. Evans Adomako most action 5 in the opposition attack area. Highest passing accuracy of 100%. I mean some of these things no we need the banner. And then I say Abeka a patable give me you can say take on so you say successful tackles.
Chairman, omovie view ni instant we a 9-page document. So 9-page documents my forward dia come coach Ignatius. Because the players will on the ball need the one more ball.
When you be?
I say quite release for public knowledge.
Oh, and they say and I do the cat more crime the faso. Because it even help teams are going to concern the bebodo. And I make a great as much as team are going to concern the bebodo. The team will also benefit from some analysis because for Coach Ignatius are okay. No disrespect to that. That's why I wanted the view. So we pass. Ometem got a whole match hiding. The view there, only view eBay. But because I've said the August for their man for the greater good. For the greater good. I think that Omo had the way. Now you know Willie Willis. Now Busasa Adena Yenton on the opposite side of on your dos halfway you know you make you reference to it. But Yenti in the side there, but Odos has also said on Waka. That is not to say until those of our alleged until only you make reference to maybe any allegations. That is not to say that but whichever way, let's all find a way to solve this matter. Let's find a way to solve this matter. And yes, baby idea football it is not good. say view or no viewer, let's find a way and deal with the matter. Well, and your guest to studio and your bomb so your pack of fish soon ha and your the papasin pani and so I was saying na yebeko so enche na yahwe semina but Andy Nelson no ko eche kaka na so be ni actually no ko eche amana some the dad beba but yeah do ko
chama 29 pages instant report ko ne 11 wonders 29 pages which Santa Jaribema kakra rolly then I exciting reading it. Okay, how to say Charlie, you are getting knowledge. Usunya dear what dream money be as far as agronia ni nkwani edi show e fidie ka ho ene ma agrono ye de ye tumi sua de uko this start time sechi now uko didi this amra we achi the educational purposes of filming no ye rebefi we can't get it chairman Makase a better local league will help us even win the African Cup of Nations. I'm telling you.
No, apart from even Cup of Nations, it will help us in building our youth teams now first now the backbone of Adiano. Because when you're instant, there is Zulu Kakano, it is intimate area. Okay. Kotokoni 11 wonders. Yeah. Shots. 30 shots as to 12. Okay.
Key passes, tackles,
air challenges,
lost balls.
Okay.
Oh. It is a brilliant software we have to. Okay, also be a club, be a even Division 2 crown. Sadi we I was a coach be a and
I will never born so say because here for youth teams now have any for 40 players and 140 players Mumra camp.
Yeah.
Because if you have their data, so when you say in terms of tackles, this guy is leading ABA the Division 2 and not Division 1.
Now heat map. I had a game no echo D Kotko Yusu left channel no more. Kotko 11 wonders CSA. It is a brilliant report. My but to have it in Ghana's context.
You see, average positioning.
Yes.
So
the average.
The Deviania can but I mean this gives you say creating overload on the right. No?
Yes.
Or 11 wonders.
Yeah.
Or on the right now, the 27, the 22, the 21, the 29.
Yeah. Yeah. One side.
Yeah. Side. That is why Moro
Obrey. Yeah.
Some of these things
also create overloads on the right. Into my Techma 11 wonders left back no so no a brepa. So scroll kwasia individual player behind any touches. Nany be bia wo. What's the encouraging video on freestyle times so? Encouraging video on freestyle times what they say.
But kakre bia. Ntina mega say nyina ye ti ade bia. Some of reports be the challenges, passes, attacks, lost balls, recovered balls, pressing, it helps the game. But they're making it severe ni twa. Number one, SABB. Sometimes before you decide to take SABB, Kodoko twa I'm using for commercial purpose because obviously you are not supposed to use it for commercial purpose. If that's the case, then I think they have to find a way to solve this matter. They have to. So they all can. Emrano every side. Emrano every side in terms of protecting.
Emrano every side. Because Emrano this time Okotoko side.
There's some Emrano.
The FA must copyright. SF Finanka said you Emrano so.
Okay, so
Ucheske for educational purposes. Kotoko ne Emrano must.
Okay, it's okay.
It's FA Finanka Emrano was the FA must rather obey their own laws. That is why I make us say Emrano die. So okasi Nimrano so there will be chaos in society. Ade me nyina yetimite in a civilized society they say chamo ye dimra so emra and a kan nyina me nyina ye civilized live in order
say samra no clearly every nine answer over togu
that be untimi as long as it is in the law untimi unilaterally e ka say me camera num
because obi a cheska
what you
clubs no mo gondia ko go tiai Dreams FC Ankasansu tiai number of almost all the clubs obi a cheska 2007 Omar from the OBS, I want send you OBS on the back. So I don't move.
And you muncha samre anymore.
Well,
I'm running now since the clubs need to bit me chadia. Now so moment chadia. Any club can take their fee on based on this law. As long as it is for educational purpose, uncommercializing it, it is them run or class nafa.
Well, I don't know.